Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the loadout and controls so switching is instant. Open inventory, equip AWM and stash 7. 62 where you can reach it fast. This avoids fumbling. Next, bind a quick slot or macro close to your thumbs so you can change weapons without leaving aim. Once done, set ADS and sensitivity to an AWM profile and save it. That way when you switch you don't need to adjust aim settings mid-fight. You now focus on the exact motions to make swaps reliable under pressure. During fights, use single-tap quick switch while either sprinting or crouched so your character keeps momentum and your thumb stays steady. This reduces miss-swaps. Practice a drop recovery loop where you swap to AWM, chamber one precise shot, then return to cover in about 1.5 seconds. Also combine peek and pre-aim. Expose briefly. Hit quick switch and fire to maximize finish each cycle by confirming the AWM is chambered, then toggle back to your secondary and reposition quickly. A smooth handoff keeps you alive. If you encounter miss-swaps or delayed actions, remap the keys nearer your thumbs, reduce input debounce in settings, or create a custom HUD layout to avoid overlapping touch zones. Always validate in training range. You want the full switch to first shot sequence to be repeatable and comfortably under around 1.2 seconds for reliable clutch plays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.